brother said they came from Cameroon. While you were ministry just now, you gave a prophetic word and measured a certain Richard. They said they brought him mad.
There is someone, you are mad, like mad. The person was brought here by somebody mad. From outside the country. You are not residing in this country. In the country where you reside, I'm seeing you on a bike. It's like you are a bike man. You brought this person here and he's mad. The senses have just been restored. Richard, madness is gone.
Papa, he was mad for 4 years. As soon as you gave that word, madness took off. He is free now to the glory of God. How are you?
I'm fine.
Come to me. Who came with him?
They came with him.
You came with him? Who is he to you? You stay in Cameroon? Where in Cameroon? Southwest region. You said?
Under a module division.
Under a module. What's that? Mamfe. What does he do? Bike rider. Father, look at me. You are going to become a man of God.
Amen.
Touch. Glory of the Lord, glory of God, glory of God. Congratulations. Everybody, is this how you celebrate God?